Hello, students. Welcome to all of you. Today we are here to discuss very important concept in biology. The concept that make millions of species living and continue to live to maintain the continuity of life. Today's topic is essential walls in flower. That is androecium and gymnosium. These are essential walls. BQs it is essential for reproduction and continuity of species. Thanks to your presence here, I request you, please like and subscribe thank you all, so that you can reach the latest video without any delay. Essential walls in flower. There are two essential walls in flower: gynosium and androecium. 1. Androecium, male reproductive organ. Individual unit is a cleft stamen. A stamen have a filament or stalk and an anther. Anther is usually bilobed, and echolobe contain two chamber called pollen sac. Pollen grain produced in pollen sac. A sterile stamen is called stamenoid. If stamen attached to petal called epipetalous, brinjal. If attached to perianth is called epiphyllous, lily. If stamens are free polyandrous. If united to form one bundle it is monadelphous. If two it is called diadelphous, p. If more than two, it is acyled polyandrous, citrus. The length of the stamen also varied within a flower, like salvia and mustard. Gynosium. Gynosium is the female reproductive part of the flower, and is made up of one or more carpels. A carpel consists of three parts, namely stigma, style and ovary. Ovary is the enlarged basal part, on which lies the elongated tube, the style. The style connects the ovary to the stigma. The stigma is usually at the tip of the style, and is the receptive surface for pollen grains. Each ovary bears one or more ovules attached to a flattened, cushion-like placenta. When more than one carpel is present, they may be free, as in lotus and rose, and are called apocarpous. They are termed syncarpous when carpels are fused, as in mustard and tomato. After fertilization, the ovules develop into seeds, and the ovary matures into a fruit. Placentation. The arrangement of ovules within the ovary is known as placentation. The placentation are of different types, namely marginal, axial, parietal, basal, central and free central. 1. The placenta forms a ridge along the ventral suture of the ovary, and the ovules are borne on this ridge, forming two rows, as in P. Axial. Placenta is axial and the ovules are attached to it in a multilocular ovary, as in China rose, tomato and lemon. 3. Parietal. The ovules develop on the inner wall of the ovary or on peripheral part. Ovary is one-chambered, but it becomes two-chambered due to the formation of the full septum, e.g. mustard and oligomone. 4. Centroaxial. When the ovules are borne on central axis and septa are absent, as in dianthus and primrose.